Springtime here in Tahoe land. My front yard / driveway, garage, forest. There's bunnies living under my front deck. There's raccoons living under the back deck. So it's time to get this place a little cleaned up. And I also want to build a little workstation for the bikes so I don't have to work on them in the dirt anymore, hopefully. I was gifted some wood, which I mistakenly just left out all winter. But whatever, it's all free. Legs are on. Now I'm just going to grab the plate for the wheel chock and I'll drill that in 4 little holes, then the wheel chock can go in on the other side and it'll have like a nice backing plate here, give it some more stability. Yeah, decided not to paint the underbelly black, just left it, but everything else got a nice black coat. Hopefully protect it a little bit from the elements. kickstand. Repair stand is done. Pretty easy to make. And yeah, hopefully this will really help out, make working on the bikes a little easier in the future. Keep them out of the dirt. It's not perfectly level yet. I got to do a little bit of grading on the dirt, but for now it works all right. So, pretty happy with it. And it's nice because it's one-man operation, so